Racing just is started with Dream of Mine. Break quickly to start. Princess Tin rushing everybody else. That is Love Hate. Play it safe is done on the inside all too well. Then next on Lenny's Gates of Money. In between horses is Striker's Symbol. Then followed now by Misty Loy, while Peace Needed is racing in less. Racing down the backstretch with Princess Tin. Alongside comes Love Hate, Dream of Mine, all too well. Play it safe is racing in fifth, and in sixth, Gates of Money. Misty Loy comes next is Striker's Symbol, and a long way back to Peace Needed, who's racing in less. Back to the Princess Tin. Love Hate is on the outside, and 3 lengths back, and third comes Play It's Safe, Dream of Mine comes next, all too well. Then next on line, Gates of Money, Misty Loy, Striker's Symbols, while Peace Needed is still in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. Love Hate by about 4 lengths. Play It Safe now in second. Dream of Mine is Arias as they swing for Rumba. Play, or rather Love Hate by about 4 lengths. Play It Safe in second. Dream of Mine is Arias sa last 75 meters. Apprentice Ramon Duero, Raquel Jr. on Love Hate. Second, close, Dream of Mine, Play It Safe. And then comes Princess Tin, Gates of Money.
Okay mga kaibigan, para sa inyong final race for tonight, ang ating unofficial winner, your favorite 10 horse, that's Love Hate, skippered by R.D. Raquel Jr. Masisigundo dyan, numero 2, Play It Safe. Close nga doon sa numero 4, Dream of Mine. Darating din, pang-apat, numero 8, Princess Tin, 9 horse, Gates of Money. And for your Super 6, numero 7, All Too Well. So 10, 2, 4, 8, 9, 7 po ang ating unofficial placing para sa inyo.